Hey y'all, welcome back to B-Rad Garage. I hope the wind's not too bad. A little breezy here down in Texas in the fall. We're working on my 1985 Chevy pickup. This is my first high school truck. Drug it out of the woods over here. Got it going again. Today I really want to try to get it idling under its own power, kind of get the Quadrajet adjusted, probably hit it with something. And then it'd be great if we could get these tires to turn back and forth. We could get this thing to make sure the transmission's good and have everything spinning back there. So I really appreciate y'all's support. All the liking, commenting, subscribing is awesome. So if you like the content, consider subscribing. I'm a hush and let's try to make this thing be rad, everybody. Just a quick little windy walk around. Paint's still in pretty good shape on this old truck. I mean, but it's, you know, it's missing some spots. Tailgate is definitely showing signs of wear. Got a big old ladder back there, man. I kind of miss long beds. I know short beds are cool, but I always was partial to a long bed, probably because this was my first truck. This was a Silverado package. You can tell we got some years going here, missing some trim pieces, etc. Door doesn't like to stay open, but interior is still in really great shape. My dad had this truck after me, and he did an awesome job keeping everything kind of clean and covered up. This is a replacement dash cover. The dash below here, dash pad, is cracked and everything, but yeah, nothing too fancy in here. Ow, bonked my head. Still rocking a tape player, because when I was in high school you still got tapes. Yes, I'm old. At least it's not as windy in here. But yeah, I really love this old truck. This is kind of unique. Look, my dad bought one of these hilarious headliners with speakers and everything else in it from LMC. Problem is, he liquid nails it in there, so so it's never coming out, I don't think. Oh man. All right, just thought I'd give you all a quick walk around, everybody. All right, y'all, we've done quite a bit to get to this point. You can probably tell the wires are new. We got new plugs in it. We did put a new distributor in this in one of our videos if y'all want to check that out. Now, these HEI distributors are great. They very rarely fail, but something had happened. My dad had basically taken everything apart inside it, and rather than getting new parts to add to old things, I took the leap and got a whole new distributor. So what we got now is we've got a temporary fuel system down here on the bottom. We've got it routed up through the standard fuel pump up to here, and we had it running off, you know, dropping gas in it, but I don't know if the floats are stuck or what, but I know we've got gas to here. That is an old cracked junky line, but for right now I've just kind of hose clamped it onto that twisted piece of copper, so nothing is perfect here. But I would just like to see if we can get this thing to idle under its own power, instead of having to keep shooting gas into it. So let's see what we can't do. Okay, here we go. Sorry again about the wind, y'all. Okay, it started nice off the gas I had put in there. Let me get y'all less wind stuff. Let me try to get more fuel in the bowl and then see what we can't do here. All right, temp number 2. Okay, so the problem last time, we had fuel all the way up to here. In fact, when I would crack the filter line, it would actually, you know, it had pressure behind it. I thought the filter was clogged. Turns out there was no filter in it, which not great, means trash could have got into the carb. So we're gonna give the old tap adjustment tool with the Leatherman and see if that helps. Oh my goodness, the wind. It sounds like the accelerator pump is working. I put more fuel in the bowl and let's see what happens. Tip number 3. wake up. All right, well, it was running off more than the bowl, I think. Impressive fireball. I could see it from in the cab. Am I singe my light? No, I'm good. All right, I think that's progress, y'all. We'll get y'all out of the wind for a second. All right, y'all, kind of more of the same. Didn't do much else but bang on the actual filter part. We do have some leakage up here at that cracked hose, but that also tells me the fuel pump was pumping up to here. So the issue's gotta be getting gas into here. So let's go attempt number 5, y'all. Off the bowl. Yep. Yeah, it'll run off. I can tell the choke is trying to work, but of course my dad removed it as well. I can see that little green lever over there trying to kind of feather the choke. So I don't know. Let's see if we can pump it and get it to go. Cheese and rice. If y'all could smell it back there, y'all. Oh my God, it reeks. What if the tailpipes are plugged or anything? You know, Mortsky and some of those other guys, they got rat nests and stuff flying out of there. Let me check back there. Well, y'all, I guess Dad got tired of the stock exhaust because we have the longest Glasspack in existence. I've never seen one that long. Supported in the middle by, looks to be either some hog wire. It's not baling wire. And then it just stops. So no exit, no tip. I ran my Leatherman up in there and I didn't get any big restrictions. Like it didn't feel like a pack or anything, but I don't know. I may need to see if that's part of our Backfire problem. Okay, I'm sorry I couldn't get y'all under there, but like I say, totally flat tire. So I thought, well, you know, the mufflers have baffles in them, but then I remembered cherry bombs and glass packs like this do not. So when I finally slid this thing off, it was like, I don't know if y'all can even see those. There's Acorns. Ugh. Let's see. Okay. Gonna be hard to see, but they're all through there. That was where it ended. And that's when I got the idea, maybe it's stuck. So I think I'm gonna try to get y'all under here somehow and then see if we can see these acorns pop out of here, because I'll bet there's more in the tailpipe. I had to turn y'all around for this one. See what happens. That's okay. Did y'all see anything blow out and anything cool happen? God, it stinks so bad. Okay, what they got the blockage in the Acorns out, started by pumping it, and it was technically idling. Let's see if it'll idle. 305 is alive and it is smoking. Goodness gracious, it's smoking. I gave it just the slightest twist clockwise on the distributor. Let's see if that helps. Still flooding down. Man, we're still not there yet, y'all. Y'all may laugh at this one, but every once in a while I have a vehicle that prefers the air cleaner to just full open air. So let's see if for some reason that changes anything. It's gonna idle down and then die. Yep, idle high, then idle down and die. I did check the oil. It's about oh, what the heck was that? Weird click. Right off the full line. It's black as night, but it's definitely dark and not great. But it's for what we're doing. I think it's okay. And I checked the water. We got plenty of water and coolant in it. Man, what in the higgity heck, y'all? Okay, probably not the most thrilling thing in the world, but between the flat tires and the jack stands not wanting to go under and my high lift jack almost going down on me, I think we're just gonna... Hey y'all, B-Rad Garage here. This is what I'm talking about with the high lift, baler jacks, etc. You got to be awful careful. This one's in a bind. I've got some stuff under the pumpkin and I've got a jack stand under the driver's side, but still could be dangerous. Y'all be careful out there and make it be down on me. I think we're just gonna settle for the old rocket back and forth and see what we got here. Come on now. Okay, I know that was not thrilling, not the big payoff I wanted either. I got to get some tires on this thing. I got to get it up off the daggone dirt. I know why Morski hates flat tires so bad, but I'm going to call that a win, really, for today. We got some diagnosing to do, but it's running a lot better, and we're getting better every time we mess with this old thing. Sometimes you just got to be patient with these old rigs. Golly, the wind is something else. But yeah, I'm 90% sure our backfire problem is fuel related, not spark, because when it was running, it would run pretty good, but it always bogs down. So I'm thinking there's too much fuel, air fuel mixture's wrong, it's running too rich, etc. And as you can tell, we got chewed up vacuum lines and all kind of nonsense on here. So we still got work to do, but I think this was a positive kind of a troubleshooting day. I hope y'all got something out of it, and I think we're one step closer to making this old truck B-Rad. All right, y'all, I appreciate you coming along for another ride. Maybe not the best, biggest day today, but a lot of times that's the way it is with these old rigs. Just kind of, if you can see progress and improvement, then hey, we've gotten a lot better at starting. So we're moving fuel, maybe too much fuel, but we're moving it. We did get it to bump back and forth on reverse into drive, which is awesome. It means everything's kind of together back there. Kind of diagnosed some issues with the muffler being full of Acorns. That was fun. I don't know. But anyway, really appreciate y'all coming along for the ride. There's gonna be more on this old truck. I really hope to have a real big change on the next video. That's really what I'm shooting for. I appreciate y'all sticking around. I hope y'all like the content. If you do, consider subscribing. Y'all are awesome. Now let me hush. Y'all get out there and make it B-Rad, everybody.